how to add audio effect on CapCut. So guys, in this video I will show you how you can easily add audio effect on CapCut. So guys, if this video is helpful for you, then please give like this video and subscribe our channel. So without wasting time, let's start video. For adding audio effect, so firstly open the CapCut. So when you will open the CapCut, so you can select also new project. So after selecting the new project, so you can see different your videos in your gallery. So after this you can add your videos. So after click on add, so you can see here when you will click on the video, so you can see different options. So when you will scroll on the left side, so after this you can see here is options of audio effect. So click on audio effect. So after this you can see here voice filter, voice character, or speech to song. So if you want to add voice filter, so you can see different voice filter. So you can use any voice filter from here. So after this, if you want to add voice character, so you can use any character for voice. So guys, in this way you can add voice filter or voice character on the CapCut. If this video is helpful for you, then please click on if this video is helpful for you, then please give like this video and subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching.